Want to make your home feel like a multi-million dollar luxury home? Well, today is your lucky day. Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Alex Beltran, where I talk about real estate tricks, tips, and topics. And whenever I talk to people about how I got started in real estate as a luxury real estate agent in Beverly Hills, 90210, ever heard of it? The first thing that everyone always asks is, one, do I know any famous people? And the second thing they always ask are, what are luxury homes like? You can find several headlines about how luxury real estate is a completely different beast. There are some homes that come with exclusive vehicles that may be museum worthy, like James Dean's motorcycles. There are other homes that are filled with $100,000 worth of wine in the wine cellar. There are even homes that are move-in ready, where an interior designer furnishes your entire home. A fashion designer takes your measurements and stocks your closet with the latest fashion. You just gotta bring your own toothbrush. But at the end of the day, once the adrenaline of purchasing this property wears off, it's still just a home. I mean, granted, a very pretty home with more square footage than you know what to do with, an amazing view of downtown Los Angeles, covered in gray smog. Not to mention the van full of tourists on those Hollywood home tours with a stone tour guide trying to sell you as many lies as humanly possible. And to your left is where Marilyn Monroe met up with JFK. Mr. President. The truth is, anyone can make their home feel like a luxury home on a modest budget. It's not just for the rich and the famous. Number one, books. Yeah, after walking through so many luxury homes, the one thing that I would notice the most are the books evenly spread throughout the entire house. Because apart from being a good read, they also act as amazing decoration. Not to mention that a solid bookshelf screams sophistication. Because let's be real, a huge draw to the luxury property is that feeling of, I made it. And with that comes the luxury of time to read more, even though we all know we're gonna take that extra time to scroll through more TikTok reels. And apart from the decoration aspect of these books, they also hold a lot of knowledge. Number two, fluffy, soft, comfort, fluffy towels, cushions, throw pillows. Google image the Montage Beverly Hills and IKEA's examples for the bedroom and the living room. The one thing that they have in common is fluffy, soft comfort. Nice, soft, fluffy towels, white preferably, if anything, to remind you to wash it often, because, you know, cleanliness is godliness. Number three, lights. Luxury homes are well lit, very well lit. Whether it's from opening up the blinds to allow more natural light in, or nice, bright lights. And light fixtures and light bulbs are very easy to switch out, and they make a massive difference in any room. Just remember that white light isn't really white, it's more yellow, and if you want that cooler tone, it's called daylight. Number four, handles. Another cost-effective upgrade that will make your cabinets pop. I mean, what really separates high-end cabinetry from entry level? It is MMF. Measurement, material, and finish. The truth is, no one cares if the wood is oak or plywood if it's painted. Chances are, your kitchen is already installed, so there's really no need for the measurement aspect. The only thing that's really left to change are the finishes, which can feel very premium with handle upgrades. In fact, as a real estate investor, I do these upgrades all the time. It's the oldest trick in the book. And if done right, it looks absolutely amazing. And while we're on the subject of finishes, you might as well look at all the finishes throughout your house. Sink, faucets, light fixtures, even wall plates. Upgrading these can create the look of sophistication and elegance with relatively low expenses. Number five, good smells. Look, everybody loves their pets, but nobody likes smelling them. This one time I had a listing in Tarzana on this condo, and the renter inside of that property had this gorgeous bully dog. Apparently, bully dogs are kind of like this different breed of bulldog. The renter went into this whole rant about it, but I was not paying attention at all because I was trying to run out of there as quickly as humanly possible to catch my breath. There was this foul odor of like dog piss and like humid dog skin. It was bad. Every time I showed that property, I would get there early to spray as much cheap cologne and Febreze because any smell was better than whatever was swirling in the air. Want to know the worst part about it? It didn't work. You could see the faces of potential buyers immediately turn into disgust. And the worst thing about it is that it was an amazing condo in a great building. But that smell though. Needless to say, I wasn't able to sell that condo. I didn't even try to relist that property. I was so done. I just walked away. I didn't even bother calling the seller. Like that's how frustrated I was with that particular property. Anyway, long story short, make your home smell good. There are so many ways to do so. You can add essential oils to your air filter. You can spray it down. You could take out the trash. You can clean the entire damn house. Actually, when I look down this list, I could probably sum up all these examples into 3 words. Clean your house. Bonus tip, fresh coat of paint. Obviously, I am not an interior designer, but what did you think of the list? Go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And with that said, catch you guys next week. Peace.